Hey guys, welcome back to Annie's Adventure. We're about to show you what happens when we walk outside with our snack in our hands.
Oh, there she is. She's coming.
Okay, we're gonna give her a snack box. Hey y'all! What your name?
Okay. No. Okay. Got one. Oh, hold on. No. Okay. Oh no. Adeline, get this one. Okay, don't let him go under. Okay, gotcha. Okay.
What if anybody else? Hey guys, this is the inside of the coop. See those bars? Those are where they sleep, and this is where they lay eggs. And over here, as you have already seen, they're crazy right now. That leads up to there. There's a little play toy that they poop on. That toy and that one too. I guess this pole is theirs now because they can climb it, and it used to support them, but now it doesn't. They can climb it. So, as you see, water bucket, and then grit bucket, oyster shell. We'll update more on our video when these pullets turn into hens. Bye! When they start laying eggs, then they'll be hens. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. And if you love colleges, you better get out there.